She waited for Neo. She said, oh, when Neo comes out and if he wants to be with me, he can be with me. How's that going? He's right behind you.
I'm actually in a healthy relationship. You don't know that?
In a healthy relationship.
I don't post it on social media, but I'm in a healthy
I heard
relationship
your runs,
with
girl,
a man that treats me like a jewel.
Sorry. You said what?
Sorry, you said what? You said something.
Streets are saying your runs, girl.
6'5" if you want to know.
Streets are saying your runs, girl, boy.
Hello, good morning viewers, good morning everybody. It's a very beautiful morning, this bright morning. You're welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Nigerian News and Entertainment. Yeah, if you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to click the subscribe button down below, and then you click the like icon to like all of our videos. Please turn on your notification bell in order for you to get alert as new messages are dropping, new videos are dropping down as they hot. Don't forget, we are always current and always there to give you the best of the gist. Yeah, I'm here again this very good and bright morning to give you the latest gist on the BB Naija lockdown reunion show of the day 3. Exactly. Yeah, Ebuka has a way of doing things. Like from day 1 and 2, you saw how it all started, how everything just went round, and then we are in day 3 and it boils down to Prince, Watoni, and Tolani Badge. You see that triangle? It's something else. Seriously, if you watched it, you would see the whole fire. Everybody was actually on ginger. Like they all came prepared, as if they wanted to attack this, attack that, attack that. How did they all start? Now let's go there. You see, Ebuka actually asked Prince how about the triangle between him, Watoni, and Tolani Badge. Now let's start with Prince and Watoni. And Prince actually accepted the fact that he liked Watoni, he liked Tolani Badge, he liked Dorothy. He owned up to it. But it was now so annoying that none of these ladies were ready to own up to whom they liked. And I'm like, didn't we watch this thing? We actually watched it. We saw your dispositions, we saw the moves, we saw the leg in, we saw the leg out. So why are you now trying to cap up the whole thing? Prince was like, yes, I actually liked her, but boop, here she comes, and like, no, Prince is an insignificant person. I'm now like, really? This same insignificant guy is the person you actually went up in the house. I remember when she went up to Prince one time like that in the house, telling Prince that, please, out of the 3 of us, can you please just choose so that I would know what to do, I would know how to move on. You understand? And now here she is saying that Prince is insignificant. Oh my God, you needed to see the drama. The way Watoni just stood up and was like, can you look at me? Can you see me? Look at my dress. She was actually putting on a red velvet dress, and I was, well, it actually was beautiful. But it hasn't gotten to the point of she now saying that, Prince, you cannot afford what I am putting on. Are you for real, baby girl? She's like, look at me, I don't like younger guys. I am older than you. I even have a baby. Guys, you agree with me that this girl is always my baby, my son, my son, my son, my son, my son. I'm not like, before you went into the house, damn, nobody heard about you. Nobody knew your name. But this is Prince here. He was Mr. Nigeria before he entered into the house, and he was an item. Think of that, he's from a royal family, his father is a king, and then he is a prince. So like, everybody knew this even before they went to the house. And from what I saw in the house was that 90% of the girls were actually liking Prince. Yes, because he was an item, and they felt that he was actually much more wealthy than every other guy because they didn't know their portfolio. While on the other hand, for the boys, almost 90% of the guys were actually liking Nengi. And this liking for Nengi was actually her physique. Oh my God, figure 8. You can start it again. And actually her complexion. Do you understand? But now, why they are all up denying it? Why she was all up denying it and making it look like something was what I didn't understand. And I actually loved Prince's disposition at that point. Prince's disposition was like, okay, well, since she said I'm insignificant, I can't be talking about her issue. Please, let's drop it down. And then here comes Tolani Badge, issue between he and Prince. As well, like, yes, I own up to the fact that I liked 3 girls. It's allowed. Yes, you're free to choice. You're free to like whomsoever you want to like. Yes, I like 3 girls. I liked her. I like this. I like this. He owned up to me. I was like, okay, he didn't know that his likeness was putting up into a situation. He didn't know that his likeness for them was actually making them beef or fight up each other. That was not the point. He was just like, he wanted to be friends with all of them. But the ladies, on the other hand, wait, oh, I don't know, why is it that ladies always know how to turn things around? That actually cracked me up. Seriously. The ladies, on the other hand, were actually turning it around, really wanted something serious. But on this guy's side, and you know, one thing I really loved about this guy was the fact that he owned up to it and he was down to it. Trust me, guys, go and watch the clip. He was down to it. He was like, I'm very sorry. He apologized. Ebuka was like, oh, he actually apologized. Yes, he did. And I really love that maturity about him, apologizing. And he no, Prince, thumbs up to you. Now let's come to, this was where the whole thing turned around and the question moved ahead to Tolani Badge, where Ebuka was asking her, okay, Tolani Badge, what do you have to say about you making use of your best friend's boyfriend? Ha. Oh, deep. Guys, did you hear that? I said, oh, deep. Now, Tolani Badge came up like, I don't like Neo. Neo is in the show right now. I don't like Neo. I'm like, are you for real? You don't like Neo? And she said, Prince was like attacking her, telling her that, you say you like me, and then I noticed in the house you are all over your best friend per se boyfriend. You know the next thing? Said, if you were man enough, I wouldn't have done what I did, but because you were not man enough, I had to use Neo to make you jealous. I'm like, mad oh. Guys, that was a whole lot of drama. It seems as if no, she has rehearsed her lines before coming up to the show, and she was just ready to attack whomsoever she was ready to attack. Now the point is, this girl actually liked Neo, and she didn't want to admit to the fact that she liked Neo, turning the tables around and saying that she only wanted to use Neo to make Prince jealous. Fine, there's no harm using Neo to make Prince jealous at all. But I'm not like, this is your best friend's boyfriend, which is V. So it would have been a very good thing that you went to tell V, V, look, I'm having this thing for this guy, that's Prince, but I feel, give me the chance or give me the opportunity to make use of Neo to get back to this guy. You understand? Talking to your best friend, and then she understood with you, of which before now you've even gone to meet your best friend and telling your best friend that you want to go into Prince's ship, and she was even telling you that, for me, I don't want you to go into it. His relationship, the whole relationship thing, the whole triangle thing was already getting too messy for you to get into it. This was a very good friend, so I've given you such a very good and lovely advice. What else do you want? To think of that, you didn't even tell her that you made use of her guy according to you, which what we saw was actually different. To worsen the whole situation, you all know that you know that V and Erica are not items in the house. They're actually enemies. And then you then brought up the whole issue. You then carried the matter. I went to go and tell Erica. Please, who does that as best friend? My dear, if it is me, trust me, I don't like it. I'm really going to be pissed with it because it wasn't just maturity at all. And here comes the whole argument. And I cannot like you. You cannot like Neo. And I remember when you were leaving the house, Ebuka asked you a question saying that if Neo should come out of the house, what will you do? You said, if Neo is ready, that you are ready. You are ready to chase him. And here you are saying something else. Like, you know what? Tolani Badge was actually pissing me off personally, seriously. But I really don't want to take it personal right now. Because on the other hand, you are saying one thing. And the other hand, you're saying something else entirely. Baby girl, how far now? I really love V's disposition to it. When she was asked the question, V, what did you see in there? When Ebuka asked, like, V, what did you see about the whole thing? What did you see about the whole Neo and Tolani Badge thing? She was like, I said she owned up to whatsoever she did. Oh my God, this is maturity. She owned up to it. She was like, yes, I said what I had to say because it was coming from the place of anger. Yes, she has the right to be angry that her best friend could fall in love with her own boyfriend, and now she's here denying it. Okay, fine. If actually you wanted to use him to get back to someone, you should own up to it right now, other than turning the tables around. No, 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 no. That was maturity on the side of V, of which I really appreciated it. And here is Tolani Bash. It's shut up, you bitch, fuck you, standing up. To the extent of you going to tell her that she's not a graduate. Ah, guys, hear that out. She's actually not a graduate, but she speaks up and she speaks out very well. She acts so maturely, sincerely, compared to the way Tolani Batch actually acted. Man, you know what? The one that even shook me was Tolani Batch had to take a pillow and throw at her, and I'm like, why? What has really gotten to this extent? Ebuka kept on asking her a particular question, of which she was finding so difficult to answer. What was the question? How did you get yourself in this thing? How did you resolve to making use of your best friend's boyfriend? How did you get there? How did you get to that point? And to the end of that day's show, to the end of the day 3 show, she was unable to say anything about it. She wasn't able to give. And here she is saying, I have two degree. A 2-degree holder that cannot answer a simple question. When V threw that bomb, I could not but just laugh. Sincerely, I could not but just laugh. So, in fact, it was on fire. And then here comes in New. New was like, girl, what are you saying? I didn't like you. And do you know what she was like when she dressed up, coming out for the Oracle show? And then New was like, you look beautiful, you look good. Wow, you look good. I'm like, everybody, a good guy should compliment something good. Yes, it's the handwork of God. God has created each and every one of us wonderful in his own way, and the guy has taken out time to compliment how you look. So why now capitalizing on it? A random person can just look at you and tell you that you look beautiful. Does that mean that the person needed something so intimate with you? No. So I didn't understand why Tolani Bad was now making it look as if no, because Neo complimented her, that means he had something all for her. Meanwhile, already, everybody in the house knew that Neo and V were an item. So why was she bringing it up? Was what I didn't get. And then she was not like, because of the question, Neo asked her, do you like V? V, what was it again, Save? VBM. You understand? I'm not like, so anybody can ask you a question. So that I asked you a question doesn't mean, and also your head would have even boots that you guys were preparing for the Oracle game. So it would have been from the place of the Oracle game. He was asking. Maybe he wanted to put it as an item inside a box that you guys were going to pick. So, I didn't understand the girl. I didn't understand the girl. You know, one thing I actually appreciated when Neo was like, I appreciated you as you came out. Everybody in the house commented to that. Come and even see Dorothy. Dorothy was like, oh no, yeah. Neo is always complimenting people. No, he's fond of complimenting beauty. So, I was just happy that everybody saw it. So, in fact, it was not bringing me to like, Tolani Bad was just making a fool of herself. Sincerely, in fact, she was just turning things around and people were not even seeing sense in what she was saying again. I just saw it that she just wanted to be something. She just wanted to show off herself and she was just doing it in the wrong way because the whole tables was turning against her. She was even using her own words against herself. She was saying, I like New. And later she's now saying, I don't like you. Later you're now saying you are not my class. Later you're saying you are the baddest. Do you know what? She was like, I'm the baddest bitch. So I'm going to stand as the fucking baddest bitch that I am. And later you said, okay, V wasn't like, okay, keep standing. House, please, let's wait until Tolani Bash sits down. And then here you are saying that I'm going to sit down like the princess that I am. Oh, auntie, how now? Please be calming down. Please be calming down. I just loved the fact that between this ship, Neo played maturity and V actually played maturity. You understand? And here comes the whole thing shifting down to Dorothy. And Dorothy, you could hear Dorothy say, please, Ibuka. Like, her name is actually ringing a bell in all the whole ship, Tolani Bad was like, this one is not a triangle anymore. It's not a trapezium. But please, can somebody draw a trapezium for me? I don't understand. I can't remember how a trapezium looks like. It's been long I left primary school. Yeah, guys, seriously, this has been the fire in the house. This has been the fire in the house. It's been hot. And then there's an highlight. Ask me what the highlight is. You guys agree with me that Dorothy actually liked Bright? Oh, Yes, that name is now coming in. It's coming in. And then Watoni actually liked Brighto. And here is the highlight. Watoni saying that I didn't like him. And Dorothy's like, I didn't like him. And you know what? She even went further by removing money and throwing it on Brighton and said, for your tears. Okay, guys, let's hold up till next time, till day 4 of the show. I'm going to give you the full gist of everything as it is coming out. You're going to see what's happening between Dorothy and Brighto. It's going to come. Just stay tuned. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, don't let me vex with you. You will not want to see my bad side. You will not want to see my bad side. Please, guys, do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please press the notification bell, please, so that you will not miss out. Oh, I am begging you now. Comment down below. If you have contributions to make, please comment down below. Don't forget to also like this video. It's still your girl and your favorite YouTube channel. Stay tuned with us and always be with us. We're here for you. We're here for you. Love you.